Hi friends, it's Jen and I'm on my way to Costless Food Company. I love this side of the, look at that, can you see that? Right down there, way far across are like either the Sierra or, not Sierra, what's it called? Near where Yosemite's at, mountains, before you get to Yosemite. But anyways, today's the last day. Tuesday is the ending sale for the sales ads, the grocery store sales. And Costless Food Company, they have 10 pounds of a 10-pound bag of potatoes for $1.88, and they don't have a limit on it, so I think I'm gonna get two. Because if I go nearby where I live, a 10-pound bag of potatoes, $4.49. Or if I go to O'Brien's and get they only carry 5-pound bags. Their 5-pound bags either on sale for $2.50 or regularly they were $3.99 for a 5-pound bag of potatoes. And also Costless has a few other things, so I'm not going to do a big grocery haul or anything. I'm just going to pick up a few things because they're on a good price and I don't want to miss out, and I'm low on potatoes. Okay, so here are my 2 bags of 10-pound potatoes each. Got 2 there. Tomatoes were 78 cents a pound. I think I got 4 pounds of tomatoes. These were on markdown, so I figured I'll just get this for 98 cents. They were only expired by the 2nd. It's no big deal. And I'm in love with this bread. It's not cheap, but it's a really good bread. Non-GMO, nature's own, perfectly crafted, but it's brioche style. And it's thick sliced. That's what I used on my egg salad sandwich yesterday. And soft and sweet. If you get a chance to run into this bread, I can recommend this bread. It's so tasty and soft. Love it. Okay, and then what else did I get? I picked up a dozen of eggs, a dozen and a half. Okay, so 18 eggs here. These were $2.65, and I picked up some limes. You already saw that. And here are the bacon I picked up for $1.98, was it? So I have another one, and it's a pound. Have any of you noticed, and it's a product of Canada, but have any of you noticed that some bacon is like 12 ounces? You're like losing 4 ounces, so you're not getting a full pound of bacon. And then this chuck roast was on sale, so I thought I'd pick up a chuck roast and do a roast sometime soon. So $2.88 a pound for a nice good some roast. That'll be good with either some nice potatoes diced up or mashed potatoes with gravy, which I think sounds delicious. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. I think maybe mashed potatoes and gravy roast. And how about some cream corn? I have cream corn that I picked up at O'Brien's when they were 50 cents a can, I believe. I want to give you all an update that I'm signed up for my canning and preserving class. That class doesn't start until April 4th on a Saturday, so I look forward to that. It's a one-day class. And February 8th, I have a class that I signed up for with the local agricultural local office, and that's on gardening. So if I have a few questions I might have, somebody's there to answer those questions. So that looks like it's really interesting. That one's free to the public. And I look forward to that class. So that's on a Tuesday. So I think it's a week from this coming Tuesday is that class. I'll see if I can try and maybe take a little video footage of it, but